Alright, we're now on 107, help. Where to get help when you first start. Okay, so let's click on this tab again. And we see that there's a lot of information on this page. Most discussed topics, searches. Let's say we want to know about scheduling. I suppose I have to spell it right. Oh, that's one of the things that's really tough in WIZIQ is only use one word, 2 words at the most, and it has to be spelled correctly. It's not a great, okay, see? You know that they've got to have something in there on schedule. Alright, so schedule it was okay with, and we found a few things to look up. Now, let's go back to our home page, which is still rather cluttered. The first thing we looked at was some general helps using this tab. Now, if we go to the bottom, there's, oh look, you can request a demo. That's an important thing. To have someone show you and step you through the using it. And these guys are great at WIZIQ, wanting to help you be successful. So basically that will help set up a meeting. But here we have help. At the very bottom, there's a forum. Let's look at the forum first. This is a little bit geekier, but this is one of the fastest ways that you can get an answer. If any of the tech team are around, they might be at the forum to so there's 2 main branches, plain WIZIQ and then people that use it within a learning management system called Moodle. But when you go into WIZIQ, you'll see the latest posts and different questions and things like that. So that's one way. Now let's go back and see what else we could look at. Oh, there's a blog. So if we go to the blog, we'll see that there's some information there. It's not a very active blog. It's more an announcement. But there's a lot of information there if you want to go back to the older blog postings. Now, a student tour. That is good. Tell you some of the common uses and common things that are done. Oh, and they've even got a nice little movie for you. Alright, so that's good. Alright, that there's tutorials ready for you. And let's look at, whoop, we've run out of places to look at. Alright, so we were at the bottom of our main page. On that bottom row, it's called Help. And we looked at forum, blog, student tour, and then finally contact us, which the other way, as we talked about, is support. A regular email is support@wiziq.com. And this contact page also gives you the ability to submit questions. Now, when I'm a premium member, I think that it's very much worth the $50 a year, I think it is, that I really don't need it, but just to support them, I want to chip in that much. But anyway, here's a support request form. You can also link to the FAQs and the forum from here, but that's the main ways. And then remember too, we have one other way that you can get some information, and that's at my website, myeslfriends.com. And when it gets us there, the way you find the How to WIZIQ support is go under Lab Rats, How to WIZIQ, click on that tab, and all the information you need will be right there. So there's quite a few ways you can get help. And just going to a class and asking both students and teachers for help. Everybody, it's really a nice bunch we've got here. Really a nice bunch. So that's it for this tutorial. Geez, 5-minute tutorials. I don't know how this is going to work, but this is what we're committed to. So see you on 108 when I get going. Bye-bye.